Math 3, your final benchmark, number 33. Consider triangle QYZ, where vertex Y is on the circumference of the circle Q. Which statement is true? All right, so this is saying is not a tangent, is a tangent. All right, so what do we know about tangent lines? We know tangent lines create a 90-degree angle here. All right, so how do we know if this is a 90-degree angle? Well, we know that every triangle has 180 degrees. So if we do 180 degrees minus 52 minus 38, what do we get? So take that, type it in your calculator or do it in your head, and you'll see that that's 90 degrees. Excuse me. All right, so if that is 90 degrees, we know that it is a tangent. So we can rule out the two that says is not a tangent. All right, so it says YZ is tangent to circle Q because angle QYZ, that's QYZ right here, is 90 degrees. So that is definition of tangent line. All right, so YZ is tangent to circle Q because the angle is not 90 degrees. So that is not true. So the answer to number 33 is C.